and discuss about the mineral resources of India.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So mineral resource के साथ we have the power resource also. That also comes under the scope of mineral resource. Like we have the coal in the mineral, then the petroleum products. All these comes under the power resource also. So first one is the mineral resource. So India is actually have a good deposit of the minerals. More than 100 type of mineral is existing in India. Some minerals are abundant in nature, some are adequate, some are deficit, but still we have a good reserve of all these minerals. Along with that, the most important area where the minerals are concentrated is the peninsular region. Let's see all these in detail. So when we say about the minerals, a mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So organic भी बोला है. So how is the organic come? If you take coal, so coal, how its origin? So it is actually the dead remainings of plants है. वो बहुत साल लेके वो that has been converted to peat and again finally converting to coal. So it consists of organic or inorganic compounds है इसके अंदर और origin है. And that is being formed naturally. Humans can create that. It is naturally forming here. And it has a certain chemical and physical properties. Then only we can say it as a minerals. So what the importance of minerals? The main important is that we can take metals. Metals can be extracted from these minerals. Mineral resources are the prerequisites for providing the necessary base for industrial development in India. Say for example, the basic industry, iron and steel industry. Without this mineral, we can't make iron. We can't make the coal. We can't make aluminum. We can't make manganese. So nothing can be made without this mineral resource. India is endowed with rich varieties of mineral resource because our geological structure is actually loaded with these minerals. We have two kinds of structures. One is from Gondwana land, another is from Eurasia. So this Gondwana land part, which is considered as the oldest landform in India, is loaded with these minerals. So again, minerals can be grouped into two. One is metallic mineral and another one is non-metallic mineral based on its chemical compositions. Sorry. So what is this metallic minerals? So metallic minerals are the source of metals, the minerals which provides metal. That is called the metallic minerals. And they provide a strong base for the development of metallurgic industry. Say for example, iron. इसको तो hematite चाहिए, magnetite चाहिए. These are the ore, or these are the ores which provides. So that's we need. These kind of minerals, we can say it as metallic minerals. Iron ore, bauxite, aluminum ore है bauxite. So these are minerals. This type of minerals we can say it as metal because from where we produces metal. Again, in these metallic minerals, we have two type of divisions. One is ferrous based and second one is non-ferrous based. Ferrous based का मतलब है that contain iron. Ferrous oxide इसके अंदर होगा. Second one है non-ferrous. The minerals that doesn't consist of the ferrous or iron. इसके अंदर नहीं है. So that is the major types of metallic mineral. एक के अंदर ferrous होगा, दूसरे के अंदर ferrous नहीं होगा. One has ferrous mineral, another has non-ferrous mineral. Ferrous mineral के अंदर होगा iron ore, manganese, then chromates, etc. are examples of these ferrous minerals. And those which are non-ferrous minerals are copper, bauxite, etc. So these are non-ferrous. इसके अंदर ferrous content नहीं होगा वो mineral के साथ. So combination of metals होगा this mineral के. So एक के अंदर iron है, एक के अंदर iron नहीं है. So these are the major divisions of metallic minerals. The second group is the non-metallic mineral. So those minerals which doesn't provide metals are the non-metallic minerals. It's either organic or inorganic in origin. So when comes this organic matter, mainly it is in this non-metallic mineral group, because we have the petroleum product, mineral fuels, petrol, diesel, natural gas. So these are the actually the conversion of animal bodies. When we say about coal, so that is being generated from plant, dead remainings. So that contain organic matter. So non-metallic minerals are either organic or inorganic in nature and do not contain extractable metal. That is important. That is why it is known as the non-metallic minerals. Just like the metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals also is being divided into two. One is mineral fuel and another one is non-metallic, other non-metallic minerals. So इसके अंदर है we have the mineral fuels है. Just I said petroleum products. Then the non-metallic minerals. Other non-metallic minerals like mica, limestone, dolomite, gypsum, marble, all these comes under non-metallic minerals. So they are limestone, dolomite, mica, kyanite, sillimanite, gypsum, and phosphates. These can be used mainly in cement industry में use कर सकता है, like limestones. Usually gypsum we usually make in cement industries, fertilizer industries we can use, then refractories, then electrical goods बनाने के लिए भी these can be used. These non-metallic minerals can be used. These are the major minerals. Like first one is metallic mineral, second one is non-metallic mineral. In metallic minerals we have ferrous minerals है, and second one is non-ferrous है. उसके बाद non-metallic में आएगा mineral fuel है, other non-metallic minerals है. This is the division. Minerals divided into metallic one, non-metallic one, metallic one, ferrous content, non-ferrous content. Non-metallic minerals, then it has fuel minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and other metallic means mica, limestone, graphite, marble, dolomite, kyanite. ये सब इसके अंदर आ जाएगा. Now we studied about what is this metal. So how this metal is being extracted, mainly in India. In India, this metals has been extracted in two ways. One is from open cast mine, second one is from underground mine. So ओपन कास्ट माइन ऐसा है जो सरफेस के सामने है. सो वी डोंट वांट टू डिग टू मच. वो सरफेस के ऊपर से ही we will get it. Like some of the coal mines in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, ये सब region. But some are not like that. We want to go deep. Underground में जाना पड़ेगा. Underground mines. You want to go to depth. Kolar gold, KGF, Kolar gold field. तो बहुत नीचे जाना है, उधर से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके लेके आना होगा. So these are the major type of extraction process that is being practicing in India. Along with that, for taking petroleum products or extracting oil and natural gases, we are following drilling and pumping. Especially, we know that these oils and natural gas, Assam dig boy है. इसके बाद if you take Bombay High, so that is in sea. So it requires drilling and pumping of these oils and natural gases. So these are the method that is being followed in India. One is open cast mining, second one is underground mining. Then the major minerals that is being available in India. इसमें है, we have, I said in the initial stage, from the starting of this class, I said we have different reserves. So we have abundant reserve, we have sufficient reserve, and we have deficient reserves. Deficient means it is in India, but not enough to meet our requirements. Sufficient means we have enough for our practices, our requirements, but we can't export it. Sometimes we want to import it, not that much, but some amount we want to import as well. Abundant, we are enough, we have enough for our requirement. Also, we will export the minerals. In that category, first one is abundant reserve. Abundant reserve, what are they? One is coal. So we are rich in iron and mica. Coal, iron, and mica, we have enough. So coal for producing power generation. We have lot of thermal power stations. Why? We have enough coal. Then for basic industry, for any industry, we need iron. Luckily, we are rich in iron deposit as well. Then mica also is available, rich in India. Other than this, the sufficient reserve include manganese, titanium, and aluminium. We have bauxite और हमारे पास bauxite है that produce aluminium. Then we have titanium ore and we have manganese ore. We have so sufficient. Then deficient reserves are copper, lead, zinc. Yes, we have deficient. Come, it is there in India. It is not saying that we don't have. We have it in India, but that can't meet our requirements. अभी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री में ये तो ज्यादा चाहिए कॉपर, ये जिंक, लेड, ये सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री में ज्यादा चाहिए, but we don't have that. So these are the basics. These are the fundamentals you want to understand regarding the minerals of India. Then coming to the distribution, we will individually study each of these minerals, but today what we are going to discuss is how generally the minerals are being distributed throughout India. I said in India, the minerals is mainly distributed in the peninsular region. Peninsular region में है इसका distribution. क्योंकि that is from Gondwana land and that is oldest one. Oldest landform है हमारा. So peninsular plateau region has rich mineral deposits. We have deposits in Himalayan regions as well, but don't have that much of quantity. We also have deposit in our northeastern India. We have, but that also is comparatively lesser. In peninsular India, when we take, we have the mineral deposit mainly in 4 type of rock system. One is Gondwana system. Second one is 𝗘𝗏 and 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system. And third one is 𝐻𝐵 system. So our mineral deposits is being concentrated mainly in these 3 rock systems. One is Gondwana system. Second one is 𝗘𝗏 and 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system. Then the 𝐻𝐵 system. In Gondwana system, we can see the deposition or mineral deposition of coal. Coal can be majorly seen in this Gondwana system. Then 𝗘𝗏 and 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system, we have copper, lead, zinc. Along with this, we have iron, bauxite also is visible. Then in 𝐻𝐵 system, majority of the non-metallic minerals you can find, like limestone, dolomite, gypsum, calcium, then sulfate. ये सब चीज you can see in the 𝐻𝐵 system. If you look at this picture, you can see the first one, Gondwana system. So Gondwana system, if you look, this G represents the Gondwana system. It is available here. It is available here. It is available here. These are the areas. If you look, यहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ है, थोड़ा मध्य प्रदेश में आएगा. Some part of Maharashtra में भी you can see. Andhra Pradesh में भी you can see. So Gondwana system में we can see majority of the coal deposits. Then the 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system and it is not seen here. No? 𝗘𝗏 system. Okay, 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system. 𝗘𝗏 is not seen here. So 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system, if you look, fully black color. Can see the 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system here. This is actually, you can see the Chota Nagpur Plateauic region mein, you can see here, and some portions here. 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system. Then we have the 𝐻𝐵 system. So Vindhya Satpura mountain, you know. So 𝐻𝐵 system, if you look, can see here 𝐻𝐵 system. So these are the major areas where you can locate these minerals in India. And by date, if you look, I said 𝗘𝗏 and 𝐾𝐏𝐿. One of these are 2 oldest. सबसे oldest है, सबसे oldest 𝗘𝗏 है, इसके ऊपर है 𝐾𝐏𝐿 system. Oldest formations है. So 𝐾𝐏𝐿 के बाद आया है this 𝐻𝐵 system. Then Gondwana system is the recent, one of the recent one. These are the major areas where you can find, you can locate the minerals in India. One is Gondwana, second one is 𝐾𝐏𝐿 and 𝗘𝗏, and third one is 𝐻𝐵 system. when we see the distribution of minerals in space wise, कौन सी area पे है ज़्यादा? If you look at this, we have, sorry, not 3, 5 large areas, especially in the peninsular platoic region में you can see that. The first one is plateau region and northeastern India. Northeastern India mainly say it as mainly in the Assam region we can see. Consist of Chota Nagpur region है Jharkhand में, the Odisha plateau, then West Bengal and sections of Chhattisgarh area. These consist of the platoic region. यहाँ पे बर्थ ज्यादा है, आयरन और ज्यादा है, कोल ज्यादा है, मैंगनीज ज्यादा है, बॉक्साइट एंड माइका. If you take, we have, I said, more concentration of iron ore and coal. Iron ore, coal and mica abundant है. So it is visible in these areas. So central India में इसी area पे, if you take this area, sorry, इसी area पे if you take, you can see the concentration of iron, coal, mica, bauxite ये सब इसी region पे ज़्यादा है. That is actually plateau region. Then the second one is southwestern plateau. Southwestern plateau बोलने से, so this is the peninsular area. So say one of southwestern. अभी this is the peninsular area. So this side is actually the southwestern platoic region. यहाँ आएगा कर्नाटका, गोवा एंड केरला, दिस एरिया पे. यहाँ में सबसे ज्यादा है, यू कैन सी बॉक्साइट एंड फेरस मेटल्स, आयरन हेमाटाइट इस एरिया पे ज्यादा है. हेमाटाइट एंड मैग्नेटाइट ऐसा वाला आयरन और भी इसी एरिया पे ज्यादा है. Yeah, and यहाँ, if there is no coal deposit here, but there is, we have manganese ore है, limestone है and high grade iron ore है इसी एरिया पे. coal यहाँ नहीं है इसी एरिया पे. And if you take the Kerala side, we have the monazite and thorium. So nuclear minerals है ऐसा. So monazite and thorium resource you can find in this southwestern platoic region and the coastal area में you can find this monazite and thorium. Iron ore is also found in Goa. Goa area में you can find the iron ore as well. So this area is also rich, but सबसे ज्यादा richest one is the platoic region and the northeastern region में है. छोटा नागपुर प्लेटा का region है. If you take individually iron ore, bauxite, coal, जो भी हो, you can see the concentration at these points. This platoic region, छोटा नागपुर platoic region में you can find their concentration. The third one is the southern area. Southern area includes Karnataka plateau and the Tamil Nadu upland. Here also we can see the concentration of ferrous or iron and the bauxite. I just like अभी platoic region में है, southwestern plateau region में है, southern region में है. ये तीनों region में you can find ferrous and bauxite deposits. Along with this, even though this area lacks coal, यहाँ नई वैली में we have the lignite. So low grade coal है, that is lignite. Lignite is visible in Neyveli region. Neyveli thermal power plant that we know. So उसी एरिया पे lignite का presence है. Then after that we have the northwestern region. Northwestern region means near to Thar Desert, वो region Rajasthan and Gujarat region में comes this northwestern region. यहाँ related ज़्यादा है Darwa system of rocks you can find. If you find this picture, इसी area पे, this area पे you can see, इसी area पे you can see the so Darbar area you can see at this point near to Aravalli mountain range. यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा है copper and zinc. I said when we said about the deficit minerals, we understood there is copper and zinc, copper, zinc and lead. So from where this copper and zinc is extracting, that is from the northwestern regions. Say yeah, extract है. यहाँ in Rajasthan we have abundant sandstone है, granite है, marble है. Rajasthan marbles, Rajasthan granite. So for construction purpose, this northwestern region is providing minerals like sandstones, granite, marble. ये सब उसी एरिया में सबसे ज्यादा है. Along with this, there is presence of gypsum. Gypsum भी इसी एरिया पे बहुत ज्यादा है. And for cement industry, so these are actually non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals है these: sandstone, granite, marble, gypsum, then dolomite and limestone for cement industries. So these are not. So इसी area पे northwestern region में we are not saying about iron and bauxite. Remaining all the areas which we have discussed earlier, we said there is presence of iron and bauxite है उसी area पे. But यहाँ क्या है सबसे ज्यादा? इसमें नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स सबसे ज्यादा है: सैंडस्टोन, ग्रेनाइट, मार्बल, जिप्सम, डोलोमाइट, then limestone is available. In Gujarat region, there is presence of oil and gas reserves. Gujarat area. Along with this, in Gujarat and Rajasthan, there is huge salt reserves. So most of our salt, calcium sulfate, sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is actually seen at this area, Gujarat and Rajasthan region. You can see the only metal we are getting is the copper and the zinc. These are actually non-metallic minerals that we are getting from the northwestern. So the character is entirely different. And finally, we have the central region. The central region, the Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. So actually, the northwestern region, the Platoic region and northeastern region, ये सब region को सब ये दोनों region के बीच में आएगा this central region. यहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ है, मध्य प्रदेश है, तेलंगाना है, आंध्र प्रदेश है, महाराष्ट्र है. This is second largest concentration of minerals you can find at this area. यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा है मैंगनीज, बॉक्साइट, लाइमस्टोन, मार्बल, coal and graphite. These are the minerals that is being available at this area, central region. So when we say about the distribution of minerals, we have major 5 large areas. One is plateau region, second one is southwestern region, then the southern region, then the northwestern region, and the central region. If you look, all these came in the peninsular area. Peninsular area में आता है these points. इसमें first इसमें Platoic region, southwestern region, southern region, and the central region has mainly the metallic minerals है. इसी area पे सबसे ज़्यादा concentration. Only in northwestern region we have the non-metallic mineral concentration. And finally, there are some other areas like Assam. We have petroleum and lignite concentration. Petroleum and lignite concentration in Assam. In Himalayan region, we have coal, bauxite, and copper. And in Mumbai High and Godavari region, we have oil and natural gas reserves. So these areas not considered as large areas because यहाँ minerals है, extraction भी कर रहा है, but not that much quantity. Himalayan region is the only region which is away from the Platoic. Platoic region से not considering this Himalayan region. So उसी area पे we have coal, bauxite, and copper, but the quality and the quantity is comparatively lesser than the old Platoic region. If you look at this picture, you can see first one इसी north eastern region में हमारा आसाम ये सब में होगा petroleum products ये सब आएगा इसी area पे mainly oil field है. You can see here oil fields. Then coal also you can see at these points. But if you look the plateau region and the northeastern region, northeast here means the mainly the West Bengal region है. Here you can see not this much of concentration of coal है ज़्यादा, coal यहाँ ज़्यादा है, copper है, iron है, we have, then manganese है, then dolomite है, you can see here, then mica है, इसका present सबसे this area पे. Then in the central region you can see यहाँ कॉपर और है ज्यादा, पूरा सा कॉपर और है इधर, देन कोल है, देन वी हैव मैंगनीज और है इधर, देन बॉक्साइट है इसी एरिया पे. देन इन द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रीजन यहाँ कॉपर, आई सेड कॉपर यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा है इसी एरिया पे. देन वी हैव पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स आल्सो at this point. Then in south western region mainly we have copper deposit है, we have manganese deposit है, we have bauxite deposit and we have iron deposit है. And in the southern region we have mainly copper deposit है इसी area पे, manganese deposit है, then bauxite deposit है, coal यहाँ कम है, but we have lignite at this area. Lignite at this area. So this is how the minerals has been distributed throughout India. ये सब basic है. From tomorrow onwards, we can discuss each of these minerals in detail. अभी iron का बारे में, iron distribution कहाँ पे है, bauxite का कहाँ पे है, manganese का कहाँ पे है, that we can discuss from tomorrow. In general, if somebody asks, you can write these areas. General distribution of minerals बोलने से ये बोलना है, उसके साथ you can go for the rock system where it is being seen. उसमें आएगा कोडप्पा सिस्टम आएगा, then विद्यान सिस्टम आएगा, गोंडवाना सिस्टम आएगा, then दारवा सिस्टम आएगा. That's it for today. यह मिनरल डिपो जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन है. We will go in detail of each of these minerals from next class onwards. इसमें कुछ डाउट है इसी एरिया पे?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay then, thank you.
Thank you, sir.